2026 Jeep Wrangler, top upgrades for off-road adventures. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler is the ultimate off-road vehicle, built for adventure seekers, trail enthusiasts, and outdoor explorers. With its legendary 4x4 capability, rugged design, and extensive aftermarket support, the Wrangler offers a platform that can be customized for any off-road environment, from rocky trails to muddy tracks. For those who want to maximize performance and versatility, choosing the right upgrades, tires, and lift kits is essential. A key focus for Wrangler enthusiasts is off-road tires. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler supports a wide range of all-terrain and mud-terrain tires, offering improved traction, durability, and stability in challenging conditions. Popular options include BF Goodrich All-Terrain T/AKO2, Nitto Ridge Grappler, and Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack, which deliver superior grip on rocks, sand, and mud. Upgrading to larger tires not only improves off-road performance but also enhances ground clearance and vehicle stance, giving the Wrangler an aggressive look on and off the trail. Another essential upgrade is lift kits and suspension enhancements. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler can be equipped with coil spring or long arm lift kits to improve ground clearance, articulation, and approach/departure angles. Brands like Rubicon Express, TerraFlex, and Rough Country offer reliable solutions for both street-friendly lifts and extreme off-road setups. A lifted Wrangler allows for larger tires, better suspension travel, and improved off-road geometry, making even the toughest trails accessible. Other popular off-road upgrades include rock sliders, skid plates, and bumpers. Rock sliders protect the Wrangler's sides from rocks and obstacles, while heavy-duty front and rear bumpers offer winch compatibility and better protection. Skid plates shield the engine, transfer case, and fuel tank, ensuring your Wrangler survives rugged trails. Lighting upgrades, such as LED light bars and fog lights, enhance visibility during nighttime or low-visibility adventures. Interior and utility upgrades are also important for off-road enthusiasts. All-weather floor mats, cargo organizers, and roof racks keep gear secure, while off-road navigation apps and GPS devices ensure you stay on track during remote adventures. Recovery gear, tow hooks, and portable air compressors are essential for safely navigating challenging terrain. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler is not only capable off-road but also customizable to suit your style and adventure needs. From tire and suspension upgrades to protective accessories and utility enhancements, a properly equipped Wrangler can tackle any trail with confidence. Whether exploring deserts, forests, mountains, or muddy tracks, the Wrangler is built to handle the toughest conditions while offering a fun, engaging, and safe driving experience. With the right off-road tires, lift kits, and essential gear, the 2026 Jeep Wrangler becomes a trail-ready machine that embodies adventure, freedom, and American off-road heritage.